Here's a retake of the EPL Kone hydraulic service lift at Toowong Village. There's the public one just right there. That's the Kone monospace ML traction glass lift that got replaced last year. Here it is. Going up.
Okay.
One. Oop. Oops. No, close button missed. This one was modded by Schindler. So 2,500 kilograms, 36 persons. Here we are at one. We'll go to GL, which is short for gallery. Last time when I accidentally clicked the alarm. Now we'll do a cab view. That button does absolutely nothing. Does the stop button cancel the call? No, it doesn't. Anyway, before I end this, does this have call cancel? No. Oh, don't close on me. And anyway, that's